Having covered several hair masks, oils, and even washing routines, any hair care guide is incomplete without hair serums. Hi, I'm Aisha, and if you think that this step is avoidable in your routine, or you just haven't been able to find the right one for you, then I'm here to change things up. Type serum in the comments below to get a product guide for the best hair serums for your hair type. So we've learned over time that most of you have hair concerns that relate to damaged hair, frizzy hair, and strands that lack gloss and shine. And this is exactly what hair serums do. Much like the ones we use for our skin, hair serums are formulated with active ingredients that are able to penetrate the shaft of your hair and provide nourishment to dull strands. If you ask me, they're the perfect blend of caring for your hair and styling it as well. So now that we know why hair serums are so great, let's get right into the concoctions. Hair serum is probably one of the most effective ways to fight frizz, especially if you're in humid weather. So if you're done looking like Lion King, this DIY serum will come to your rescue. Take a 1/4 cup of aloe vera and blend it. To this, you can add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2.5 tablespoons of rose water, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now blend all the ingredients into a smooth mixture and add 8 to 10 drops of rosemary oil and store your mixture in a spritz bottle. Coconut oil nourishes your hair with its fatty acids, vitamin E oil adds smoothness and shine, the rose water rehydrates your strands, and the rosemary oil acts as a leave-in conditioner to add some silky smoothness. On wet hair, use 5 to 6 drops of this, leaving your roots, and apply it all through the strands. If you're someone who regularly styles their hair, or you've just been neglecting its health and you're dealing with damaged, lifeless strands, then this serum is perfect for you. Take 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, and half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Pour this mixture into a spritz bottle and shake it well. Green tea is an antioxidant that reverses all external damage caused to your hair. Argan oil and vitamin E oil restore lost nourishment and moisture, and the proteins present in yogurt help to strengthen your hair shafts. Apply this onto wet hair and wait for it to do its magic. When your strands are devoid of nutrients, they become brittle over time and ultimately break. So to put an end to this, here's what you need. Boil curry leaves and tulsi leaves in some water and then strain it. Add some aloe vera gel and almond oil to this mixture. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotenes and proteins that help strengthen your hair. Tulsi is an antioxidant that helps rejuvenate lifeless strands, and the lubricating properties of almond oil keep damage and breakage away. Flip your hair forward and apply this onto your damp hair and massage it into the ends of your hair where it feels the driest. And we're sure that healthy, happy hair is what you'll be left with. One of the reasons that I stayed away from serums for so long is because since they're generally hydrating, they can also be dense and heavy and pull down fine, thin hair like mine. So if you're like me and you want an effective but lightweight serum, try this one out. Take 4 tablespoons of rice water, 4 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 5 drops of peppermint and tea tree oil, and mix it all together. Rice water and jojoba oil have moisturizing properties but a non-greasy formula, and the tea tree oil and peppermint oil help to keep excess sebum at bay. Apply only at the ends of your damp hair and you're ready to go. Hair care can sometimes feel like a puzzle, but we hope that this video has brought you one step closer to tangle-free, shiny hair. Let us know in the comments which of these DIYs you'll be trying, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.